Welcome to Forking Good. Today we're going to make smoked jalapeno poppers. Now all we really need are some jalapenos, some cheese, and some bacon. We're going to get started with 10 large jalapeno peppers. The bigger, the better, because the larger the pepper, the more filling you can stuff inside. After we wash them up, we're going to cut the peppers in half lengthwise. Next, we're going to use a spoon to scoop out the seeds and some of the rib, which is where the pepper packs its heat. Now that our peppers are prepped, we have a brick of cream cheese in a mixing bowl. We're going to add to that some black pepper, garlic powder, sweet paprika, and some salt. Next, we're going to toss in some cheddar cheese and mix it all together with a fork. Now, I didn't let my cream cheese soften for quite long enough, so I added a splash of milk to help the process along. Once the filling's all mixed up, spoon in a heaping amount on one half of a jalapeno, and then close it with the other half, like a pepper sandwich. And speaking of sandwiches, if you have extra filling left over when you finish this step, it makes for an amazing grilled cheese. After we finish stuffing our peppers, it's time to bring out the bacon. We're going to wrap each pepper with a slice of bacon, maybe two if the pepper's really big and really stuffed. Now I'm going to heat up my pellet grill to 350 degrees, and then they go. If you don't have a pellet grill, a gas or charcoal one will work just fine, but be sure to cook indirectly to keep the bacon grease from dripping on your heat source and causing flares, because no one likes burnt bacon. Now it's time to just sit back, maybe pour yourself a glass of scotch, and just let these peppers cook up. Here we are 40 minutes later. The bacon is crispy and these peppers are ready to come off the grill. Now we did have a few blowouts, but that's okay, because even if these jalapeno poppers lose a little filling, they're still forking good. If you like what you see, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next recipe.